YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on SAM Training Word Module 3, creating tables and a multi-page report. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your training without any confusion. If you need any help with Cengage, Blackboard, MyITLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Java, C++, and other programming languages, and website development using different frameworks like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation training and go through it step by step. Question number 1 of this SAM Training Word Module 3, creating tables and a multi-page report. The statements are given. Turn on automatic hyphenation in the document and then turn off all hyphenation. First you will go to the layout tab, then you will see that the hyphenation option. Click on this drop down, turn on automatic, then you will click on automatic. Then the next part is then turn off all hyphenations. Then again you will go to the layout tab, then click on hyphenation, then turn off. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Then click on apply button. The next question is change the document theme to Berlin. First open in the 4th row in the office gallery. First you will go to the design tab. You can see that the theme section. Click on theme section and you will have to select Berlin theme. This is a Berlin theme. Click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is change the document theme colors to the green palette. You will go to the design tab, then click on colors, then you will have to select the green palette and you can see that green palette. Click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. The question is insert the retrospect cover page and then enter the text character healthcare proposal in the document title content placeholder. First you will go to the insert tab, then click on cover page section, then you will have to choose retrospect cover page. Retrospect, click on this retrospect cover page, then enter the text character healthcare proposal. Then you will have to enter a title or a text character healthcare proposal, character health care proposal. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Next question is align all of the data in the first column of the table using the align center left option, row 2 option 1 in the alignment group. First we click on this, then you will go to the layout section, row 2, align center left, click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. Add a 3 paint outline to the arrow shape using the orange. Accent 2 color 6th column, first row of the theme colors palette. First row of the theme colors palette. Click on this arrow. You will go to the shape format and click on shape outline. Outline arrow shape using the orange accent 2 color. You will have to select orange accent 2 color. This. Click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is edit the header by selecting the different first page option and then close the header and footer tools. First we edit the header by selecting different first page option. Click on this header, then you will go to the header and footer section. Then you will have to check the option different first page. Check this option and then close the header and footer tools. Close this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Then click on apply button. The next question is insert a header with the text Rockland Proposal followed by a space followed by a plain number page number. Close the header and footer. Then you will go to the insert tab, then click on this header section and Rockland Proposal with insert edit header. Click on this. Then write a text Rockland Proposal. Rockland Proposal. After inserting a header text Rockland Proposal, the next is followed by the plain number page number. Close the header and footer. You will go to the header and footer tab, then you will go to the number section, page number, then click on this page current position, then click on this and then close header and footer. Click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. The next question is remove the header from the document. Basically in this question you will have to remove the header from this document. You will go to the insert tab, then go to the header and footer section, click on this header, then remove header. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is add a shape to the smart art and type training in the new shape. First we select this shape and right click on this. Add a shape to the smart art. Right click this. Then click on smart art design. And type training in the new shape. add a new shape. Inside this shape, type a text, training. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is delete the research analyst row from the table and then delete the code column. Basically in this question you will have to delete the research analyst row from the table and then delete the code column. First we select the table row, right click on this, then delete this. The next is and then delete the code column. First we select this code column, right click on this, then delete it. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. The next question is delete the table from the document. First we select this whole table, then right click on this, then click on delete table. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Next question is enter all in the first empty table cell in the kickoff meeting row and then enter 208 in the next empty table cell. Enter all in the first empty table cell in the kickoff. Enter a text all and then 208 in the next empty. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Click on apply button. Insert a new row above the system's overview row and then insert a column to the left of the attendees column. Basically in this question you will have to insert a row, the system overview, and then insert a column. System overview, then you will go to the table design and go to the layout section, then insert row above. Click on insert left column and row. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is in the blank paragraph below the Rockland will schedule paragraph, insert a table with 4 columns and 3 rows. You will go to the insert tab and the question are given insert a table with 4 columns and 3 rows. 4 columns and 3 rows and click OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Merge all cells in the top row of the table. Basically in this question you will have to merge all cells in the top row of the table. First we select this table range, then go to the layout section, then you will go click on the merge cells. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Our next question is repeat the header row of the table so that it appear on the next page. First we select this header, then you will go to the layout tab and then click on repeat header rows. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. If you are not able to do this training, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Our next question is format the table columns using autofit so columns are the same width as the content. First we select this table columns, then you will go to the layout tab, then click on autofit and autofit so columns are the same width and as the content, then click on autofit with column. Questions are completed now. We have now completed 20 questions out of 39. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation trainings, weekly assignment, weekly quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with the remaining questions or a complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.